mark for the Realtors. Cutting down turnovers. Now, if you notice, Pure Foods has more turnovers than Santa Lucia, so that should be a checkmark for Santa Lucia. But it appears that Santa Lucia is not able to capitalize on the turnovers. Pure Foods, in fact, has more turnover points than Santa Lucia, so that has to be an X mark because you want to be able to maximize by capitalizing on the opponent's turnovers. At number 3, resurrecting the Twin Towers, well, Dennis Espino nakakuha na ng 12 points or 5 out of 8 from the floor. But Marlo Aquino has been a disappearing act. A non-factor so far. Wala pa siyang puntos and he's going 0 out of 2. You can't live with just Dennis Espino. You need the Twin Towers.
Well, tignan natin mga kaibigan kung tatayo ko ang Twin Towers ng Santa Lucia. 2 puntos lang ang naghihiwalay sa dalawang kupunan. It is a 39-37 ball game in favor of Pure Foods. Malalaman po natin sa ating second half. Meantime, this has been your Petron XCS Halftime Report.
This portion was brought to you by the new Petron XCS Complete Combustion System. Fuel your drive.
Ika nga nila home sweet home. Masarap sabihin, masarap pakinggan, lugar na babalik-balikan. Sa sala pa lang at home.
Okay, mga kaibigan, magkita tayo sa ating natin for the continuation of Game 5 of this best of 7 series between Santa Lucia and Pure Foods. At ay dumang ng dalawa ang Pure Foods 39-37. At papasok nga po tayo dito sa ating second half. Full packed Araneta Coliseum at the moment. Samantala, ito mga ating Ginebra San Miguel Red Sarap Balikan flashback features Mike Henry's Most Improved Player 2005-2006 Defensive Player of the Year and the 2006 Grand Matador Brady PBA Philippine Cup Finals MVP. Yan po ang ating Ginebra San Miguel Sarap Balikan flashback brought to you by Ginebra San Miguel. Sama-sama kay Sarap Balikan ng Barangay Ginebra. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga suki ng PBA sa buong kapuluan. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Nabinadidaan ko ng Tacloban na TV4 na nakikita na. Dahil mga salamat sa inyo, Dida.
At babagay ito yung mga suki natin. Want to be able to greet Fathers John and Fathers Grato as Irish priest sa St. Jerome sa Alabang. Sila nakatutok dito, nanonood ng laro.
Maraming mga pare ang talagang kanya-kanyang dasalan. Sino kaya ang maraming nagdadasal para sa dalawang kupunan? Anyway, started the third quarter, Roger Yap.
And still a zone defense by Santa Lucia.
That's right. Ano daw si Rob Sands brought in just at the start of the third quarter. Samantala natin po report ni Paolo Trillo. Ano nangyari sa dugout of Pure Foods, Paolo?
Yes, and sa dugout, Coach Ryan Gregorio talking to his players. Ang sabi niya, you know, James Yap has always inspired their team. He's always been there for them. This time around, sabi niya, they have to play inspired basketball and really step up to play for him. At ito, dinededicate nga nila yung second half. They're looking to come out strong here in the second half to start the third quarter. Guys?
Alright, thank you, Paolo. Ano kaya? Ganun yung kaya nasa isipan na nasa Talusia para naman kay Joseph Yo. As Bitoy Omolon scores in the TM3. Alam mo, ito si Bitoy, dangerous ito kahit saan eh. 9 points now for Omolon. Roger Yap, natangan ng bola para sa Pure Foods. It is now Santa Lucia in the lead by 1. And the pass by Kirby Raimundo is knocked away. Yes.
Perimeter point, 17-13, an advantage to Santa Lucia. They've not been able to penetrate as well in this game, but those shots of Santa Lucia are falling from the outside.
Well, that is in contrast to what happened in Game 4. Ano? Ay, mga tikada nila sa labas at hindi masyadong nagiging successful. Philip Miranda inches his way in at the basket.
That's important. Okay, pumapasok yung mga tira. Yes, so at saka pumapasok yung mga tira ng Santa Lucia sa labas. All they need now is to penetrate and go for the high percentage shots. They're going to be able to establish control of this game.
And it is now a 3-point lead for the Realtors. 10:25 to go, third quarter. At ito ang baseline drive to Kirby Raimundo. Natakpan siya. Here comes Ryan Reyes into the front court. Ryan Reyes zigzagging against PJ Simon. And Simon will be called. Teka muna. Anong tawag doon?
Turnover.
Turnover.
Stepping on the end line.
Dominic Uy, ano naman ang balita doon sa dugout na huddle ng Santa Lucia?
Dalawang bagay ang pinaalala ni Coach Fernandez dito kanyang mga bata. Sabi niya, we are too slow on defense, both man and zone. Kailangan mabilis ang pag-recovery natin doon sa mga shooters ng Pure Foods.
Parang ganun.
Parang ganon. So yung tingin naman dito sa opensa, they have to move the ball. Kanina humabol sila nung iniikot nila yung bola, pero nung kahabol sila medyo naging stagnant na naman yung bola. So he reminded the boys that they need to move the ball to be able to get back into the game. Ed?
Salamat, Dominic Uy. That was Roger Yap for the TM13. Victoria Moran is called for the traveling violation. Saka pala, ang mga referees for this game, Ronjiel Daba, Mario Montiel, and Noel Kilingen.
Kanina lamang, no, napanood natin si Sanz, the rookie, scoring from a 3-point distance.
Si Sanz meron, kala ko si... tama.
Si Sanz. That's the most points he has scored in this final series so far, 3 points.
Talanong natin na pwede tumulong yan talaga si Rob Sanz. He was a sensation in the NCAA as the possession goes the other way. Dennis Espino, hinahabol ni Eric Espino. And Espino finishes the fast break para sa Santa Lucia. And it is now a 2-point lead for the Realtors. 14 points now for Dennis Dabeles. DJ Simon. Ito yung isang tinitignan natin na maaaring makapagbigay ng puntos kung makapagtakip ng kakulangan na iniwan ni James Yap in this game.
And so far, si Simon has scored only 1 point, in this game, so he really needs to step up. Maswerte lang Pure Foods without James Yap, and with Simon scoring only 1 point, they are just behind by 2 points.
Yes. Ano ba si PJ Simon? Pinapatayan ni Denok Miranda. Inside the paint, nabitawan ng bola. Nagkagulo. Nakuha ni Rob Sanz. 3 points na. Wala. And Dennis Espino gets the rebound. Off to Denok Miranda. Sumaksak na naman si Denok Miranda. Nakakita sa ilalim. Si Buteo Malon.
At sa hard foul.
Oo.
But nakita natin, no? The way Santa Lucia now has adjusted its offense. They're running now, they're pressing, they're a lot more aggressive, and they're attacking the basket. And even nakita natin sa second quarter, they were settling for jump shots. It was good for Santa Lucia because those shots were falling inside. Now they're attacking the basket.
All right, Victoria Malon at the line for 2. And who makes the first? Kanina naman, mga kaibigan. Ano ito, isang excerpt. Sparring din dito. Walang iba ako din si Victoria Malon. T13 natin sa inyo ng bagong TN Discarte SIM. 30 pesos lang. May bagong diskarte ka na. And Victoria Malon scores his 11th point. At tumangat sa 4 na puntos ang labang ng Santa Lucia Realty.
New player on the floor for Pure Foods, si Richard Yee, who has missed the last 3 games in the finals.
Oo nga, no?
Now check in.
Like, kasi this is a completely different lineup na nasa loob para kay Coach Ryan Gregorio. As a turnover again ensues, ang talagang mainstay lang dyan si Kelvin Raimundo. All right, Santa Lucia on the attack. Here's Kelly Williams. Binigay kay Ryan Reyes. TM3 yan. Galing kay Ryan Reyes. He has 8 points in the game. Certainly, a long time coming. Hindi po masyadong gumagawa sa offense si Ryan in the first 3 games, but now he has 8 points. We have a timeout by Pure Foods. Let's go back to ABC 5.
This timeout is brought to you by Sunmake Coffee 100% Premium Instant Coffee.
And a miss. Yeah, pero offensive rebound na naman ang Pure Foods. Chico na natin yung turnaround move. Wala. Ito na Santa Lucia. Lumalabang na po sila ngayon ng pito. 49-42 here in the third quarter. Ryan Reyes. Binalik ko Denok Miranda. 7.5 to go here in the third.
Ito, cutting down turnovers, makikita natin sa third quarter. Mas maraming turnover ang Pure Foods. And Santa Lucia has now been able to capitalize. 8 turnover points now for the Realtors.
At ito si Kelly Williams. Pumuputo po galing sa labas. And he now gives Santa Lucia the 9-point lead at 51-42.
Matagal-tagal lang hindi nakaka-score ng Pure Foods. And Kirby Raimundo has really been hounded here by the defense.
2 puntos lang ang ginagawa so far nitong Pure Foods. Here's Superanete getting away and abutin po ng 24-second buzzer.
Well, now, Pure Foods offense looking very disorganized.
Oh, yeah.
And one thing, yung zone defense ng Santa Lucia has been holding tight ever since the second quarter. Hindi na sila nagbabago ng kanilang defensa. And field goals this quarter, Realtors still have to miss. And the Pure Foods...
Isang 3-point shot lang, di ba? Balik kay Rob Sands. Oh, there's a steal by Jordan Salvador. Here comes Jordan for the fast break. And the layup is good. Rob Sands, the steal, and the score. Cutting the lead down to 7 points at 51-44. Dennis Miranda, lumalabas sa Ryan Reyes, humihingi si Dennis Espino. Espino against Jordan Salvador. He tries to go for the baseline, and it's knocked away by Salvador. Samantala, babalik si Roger Yap para kay Chico Lanete sa panig ng Pure Foods. 11 seconds on the shot clock of Santa Lucia. Bitoy Omolon! Oh, yes! Is the name. Tientres po yan, galing kay Bitoy.
And those long shots ng Santa Lucia falling inside, making a major difference a game.
14 points para kay Bitoy. By Castillo. Fingers. Castillo is open for three. And Ryan Reyes grabs the rebound. Tuloy-tuloy sa front court. Mabilis na bumuwa sa depensa ang Pure Foods. Kelly Williams! No. By Castillo. Sinasalubong ni Ryan Reyes. Pumupwesto si Kirby Raimundo pero pinafront siya ni Bitoy Umalon. Ito, ang pasa papunta kay Mark Fingers, but before that, Umalon will be called for a foul as he scampered to keep up with Kirby Raimundo in that move. 14 seconds on the shot clock para sa Pure Foods. Mark Fingers. Sumaksak sa lo. Ayun na naman yung tura niya, no? And the rebound taken in by Bitoy Umalon. Here comes Ryan Reyes trying to squeeze through the defense. Noy Castillo acknowledging the foul.
But may lisensya si Ryan Reyes to really go for the basket and to speed up the pace. We didn't see that in the third period, in the second period. Ngayon, nakikita natin, no? Atake ng atake sa Santa Lucia.
And Ryan Reyes is the right guy to speed it up.
Right.
Para sa Santa Lucia, who misses on the jump shot. Some people in the lamang na Santa Lucia here in the third quarter. 5:05 to go in the period. Roger Yap. Hinahanap si Kirby Raimundo. Raimundo, pinanay ko rin kay Roger. Roger Yap. Inside the paint. Good cover. Roger Yap, taga-sugbukin niya siya. Dihagyan sa lungsod sa Dakbayan, sa Cebu, that's private David. Kumusta ko ba niya? Makasugwanon. Meantime, the lead is down to 8 at 54-46. This was highest at 10 points just a moment ago. Dennis Espino. Kukumahog na maka-layup. Nakabuan of foul. Pangalawang personal foul on Jordan Salvador.
Espino, what a make-up game para sa kanya, ha? 13 points already for Dennis with 4 rebounds.
Dennis Espino at the line. Joy Delaray has a report on Dennis. Joy?
Yes, thanks guys. Bagamat puyat pero ganado at inspirado itong si Dennis Espino dahil ang kanyang wife na si Christine Espino ay nanganak kagabi February 23, 8 p.m. sa isang healthy baby girl. And they name her Baby Isabella. Third baby na nila ito at mukhang huli na nga at ang panganay niya ay 8 years old na si Joshua at ang pangalawa ay 4 years old na si Sofia at ang pinakabago nga ay si Isabella. At kung mapapansin nyo, 4 years ang age gap ng mga kids. And according to Dennis, maganda ang may family planning. At back to you guys, ano na ang report about Dennis.
Thank you very much, Joy Delaray. Roger Yap off the glass for 2. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Dennis Espino.
For Joy. We didn't have a clue.
First baby girl.
Okay, yeah. Isabella.
Yeah. Ito, si Isabella. Ito yung tatay ni Isabella.
Sofia yata yung isang ano.
Ha? Wala. Sa dalawang babae na. Joshua yung isa, di ba? Oh. Anyway. Mark Pingris is called for his third personal foul.
Raimundo, looking very dejected, going back to the bench. Wala siyang ginawa dito, no? Wala siyang ginawa ng second quarter.
He is well covered. Today, Evangelista, ang pinasok ngayon ni Coach Ryan Gregorio.
you know, what fuels Kirby Raimundo's game is his post-up. Because he uses his agility to get away with those post-ups. And now that Santa Lucia is playing a zone, that takes away from his post offense.
Nakita mo naman ang galaw nito si Kelly Williams. Ano? Parang manok na panabong eh. Lipad ng lipad.
Third foul, 5 on the TJ Jones.
Tsaka very expressionless, no?
Ah,
Kaya mo si Kelly Williams.
Poker face.
Basta laro lang.
Best 24 here para sa Santa Lucia. Lumalabas si Kelly Williams sa pick for Paolo Mendoza. Mendoza inside. And Norman Gonzalez goes for the rebound. May foul on Ray Evangelista.
And guess what? Nasa penalty situation na ang Pure Foods.
3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. 2 shots here para kay Norman Gonzalez. I'd like to tell you about Van Heusen, the shirt of choice for the power dressers. Van Heusen dresses as the modern man endowed with distinction and a clear-cut sense of style. Van Heusen, the best dress shirt. One more for Norman Gonzalez.
Dumadama na ang free throws ng Santa Lucia. They now have 14 free throw attempts against only 6 for Pure Foods. And, you know, we've been talking about the effects of James Yap's absence. And one of the effects is the defense ng Santa Lucia is now able to concentrate almost exclusively on Kirby. That's why they can come out of the game. Kung nandun si James Yap kasi, hindi malaman na Santa Lucia kung sinong dedepensahan nila. Si James ba? Si Kirby ba? And as a result, they're able to feed off each other. Pero ngayon na wala si James, ang Santa Lucia is able to exclusively clamp down on Kirby. As a result, si Raimundo wala pang score, no? Sa second quarter, sa third quarter, and he's now sitting on the bench.
So he still has a total of 9 points, though, which he scored, I think, back in the first quarter.
Last chance, the first quarter.
Turnover once again here for Pure Foods. 3:08 to go. Third quarter. At lamang po ng Siyam ang Santa Lucia at 57-48.
16 turnovers now against Pure Foods. And Santa Lucia with 9.
Kelly Williams, wala. Mark Fingers, para sa rebound, binigay kay Roger Yap.
What Pure Foods needs now is some good three-point shooting. And they're not able to get it from Peter June Simon.
Medyo inaalat ito si Peter June Simon at parang medyo nahihiya yata tumira. Nabihirang tumira. Ito, si Norman Gonzalez, tumira sa labas. Para hindi pumasok ang tira. 2.5 minutes to go in the third. Roger Yap, sinasalubong ni Paolo Mendoza. Lumalabas si Peter June Simon, but he can't get the pass.
Nakita natin yung hustle. Yung Santa Lucia, meron ng 7 steals. It was this.
Roger Yap. This is it, and Kelly Williams once again skies with that rebound. 10 rebounds now para kay Kelly Williams.
And the field goal percentage of Pure Foods is plummeting here in the third period. They can't buy a basket.
Carlo Aquino sees Paolo Mendoza. Oh, science building. And a tap from behind by Paolo Mendoza. And not just Mark Fingers. Pull-up jumper by Paolo. A lot of confidence behind that shot. Only his first 2 points in the game. He has tried several times, but he got it off the steal.
Oh, he made that play possible. And again, yung zone defense ng Santa Lucia has not changed since the second quarter.
And now Santa Lucia equals the highest or the biggest lead by Pure Foods, which was at 11 points back in the second quarter.
Oh, that's a tough shot.
Pinayungan na ng dalawa. Nakawala pa si Mark Fingers.
Double teams. But what he did was he spun away from the double teams. He ended up going on.
8 points now for Mark Fingers. Ryan Reyes gets open. Ayaw. 9-point lead for Santa Lucia. Less than a minute to go in the third quarter. Roger Yap. Tapos kay Ryan Reyes. Natapikan galing sa likod. But Roger Yap picks it up. Wala. Mark Fingers with the offensive board. Nabitawan. He gets it back. And there's going to be a foul. All right, we have a timeout by Santa Lucia. We'll be right back. Hindi po magkamayaw ang ating mga manonood sa buong Pilipinas. Kumusta po kayong lahat? At ito po ang Game 5 ng Best of 7 series between Purefoods and Santa Lucia.
Patapos ang oras dito.
Ayun na, inabot na. Inabot ang 24-second shot clock. So turnover na naman yan para sa Purefoods. All the timeout, that's almost unforgivable.
That's right. Just time for just one play. And Santa Lucia able to establish control. Makita natin yung isang punto natin kanina, yung adjustment calls. And Purefoods only 4 out of 6 in Santa Lucia. Dami nilang free throws at mas maraming fouls ng Purefoods. So Santa Lucia doing a good job in adjusting to the referee's calls. They have not given too many fouls. Outside shooting.
3-3, galing kay Denok Miranda. He has 5 points in the game, but he has upped the lead to an even dozen points at 62-50. Para Denok Miranda, and yan, nagreklamo nga lang siya, nabigyan daw siya sa sikmura, pero nagkamayan naman sila si Roger Yap.
Okay lang, pero naka-score siya ng 3-pointer kanina eh.
Oo. Rodel Aduco trying to beat the buzzer. Misses the shot. Sa pagtapos po ng ating third quarter, kanina sa halftime, labang ang Purefoods ngayon. At the end of the third quarter, it's a 12-point lead by Santa Lucia at 62-50. The score. Atin sa inyo na San Miguel Beer Pale Pilsen, ang beer na walang katulad. We'll be right back.
Ating fourth period, Mike Fingris Dennis Miranda, again, the outside shooting, the mid-range shooting for Santa Lucia.
16 points now for Kelly Williams, and he has been puncturing the hoop time and again.
And what about the third period discrepancies of scoring, no? Purefoods only 11 points, while Santa Lucia exploding for 25.
Roger Yap from the outside. Kelly Williams on about para sa rebound. He's got 11 of those. Santa Lucia 4-50.
By the way, Purefoods shot less than 30%. To happen third period.
On silang ang ginawa nila, and it took them quite a while before they could get out of that rut. Ang tagal na hindi sila nakascore. The early going. Paulo Mendoza! Press running at Paulo Mendoza! And it is now
a breakaway. This is a breakaway. The 17 points Fernandez was looking for, and they're getting it done with tremendous outside shooting.
We have a timeout. The way Santa Lucia Realty Rampage started in the third quarter, carried over in the early going of the fourth quarter. Coach Norman Black, how did they manage this?
Well, just like in Game 4, Santa Lucia came out in a 2-2-1 full-court press. They fell back into a 2-3. Purefoods is trying to post up against that zone defense, and it's not working so far. You couple that with the fact that Peter Junior Simone only has 1 point, you can understand why Purefoods is down right now.
Coach Norman, Santa Lucia sticking with that zone defense in the second period. And so far, no Purefoods player has been able to score in double figures.
And nobody's hitting from the outside. I think that's what's really hurting them right now here in the second half. And you add the fact that on the other end, I think Santa Lucia has hit 6 3-point shots here in the second half. So they've done a great job from the perimeter.
Coach, coming off the block in the third period, you saw Santa Lucia really playing aggressive. Not the kind of aggressiveness we saw in the first half.
That's correct, and Purefoods committed 7 turnovers in that third quarter, led to 10 turnover points for Santa Lucia. So this is really Santa Lucia's game. They're taking advantage of the fact that James Yap is not here tonight. They know that Purefoods is lacking as far as their perimeter shooting is concerned, and they're really locking down defensively.
Well, thank you very much, Coach Norman Black. But right there, Noy Castillo just scored on a 3-point shot. Maybe that'll get them started. And he cuts the lead down to 14. Paulo Mendoza in and out. And the rebound taken in by Norman Gonzalez from Rodel Aduco. Pinasa sa labas kay Marlo Aquino. Denok Miranda metang niya ng bola and trying to settle down the offense here para sa Santa Lucia. Denok Miranda sinusundan ni Mark Fingris. Kelly Williams to the outside. No. And Peter June Simon into the front court na. Bitawan pero nakuha ni Kimberly. Ayun naman sa Noy Castillo. Wala. And here comes Paulo Mendoza leading the charge para sa Santa Lucia, and he's held down by Noy Castillo. Halina po, nakita natin si Governor Oka Moreno na ay sa Cagayan de Oro karon mga taga-sports radio. Kumusta si Juliet Angeles sa LTO? O ang anak na si Jessie O nga ko, amigo niya si Boyet Santos, na kay birthday ba ha? Basig makatilang kami sa Nixon niya, Boyet Santos sa video.
At kanina na pati natin, kasama ngayon yung mga pari ng Santa Susana at St. Jerome, sabi ko sa Panagrato, at they just texted to say that, boy, this game is really so exciting.
Talagang lahat po natutuwa rito. Samantala ating Replican 40, lakas na di maayaw moment. Nakikita po rin si Roger Yap. Yan po ating Replican 40, lakas na di maayaw moment. Hatid sa inyo ng Replican 40. Para sa lakas na di maayaw. Paolo Mendoza scores in both. And it is now 69-53, a 16-point lead for Santa Lucia. Paolo Mendoza currently with 7 points. Kirby Raimundo. Sumaksak sa loob, napitawan ang bola, naputulog ka ulit. Kirby Raimundo, binigay kay Mark Pingree. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Kirby from the outside. Ayaw pa rin. And loose ball goes out of bounds in favor of Pierre-Fou. Chris Maray na banggi sa Inlocabus, mga tugang sa Kapikulan. 9 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Chico Lanete. Here's Lanete from the outside. 3-point shot doesn't go.
Santa Lucia has thrown up 22. Make that 23 3-point attempts. And only 3 that entered.
Wow.
That's a very low shooting percentage of 13%.
Derek Miranda. Paolo Mendoza is open. Ayaw. Kelly Williams with the offensive rebound. Swerte pa sa bola ngayon ng Santa Lucia. They've got a fresh 24. Paolo Mendoza.
Well, nasa rhythm na, no, ang Santa Lucia. Their outside shots are falling. Here's another one from Paolo. Oh, yes.
Nakuha na ni Paolo Mendoza ang range niya. He has 9 points in the game. And very important was, dahil ito po ay kasama dito sa kanilang pagratsyada sa second half. Kirby Raimundo a little frustrated here.
And again, nawala na yung post-up ni Kirby. No? A move that he did so well in the first period when Santa Lucia was playing man-to-man. Now he's supposed to take the outside shot.
Tawasana natin ang ating Echo Art Design play. Nakikita natin si Ryan Reyes may tangan na mula binigay kayo mula sa ilalim. Our Echo Art Design play of the game brought to you by Unlimited, by Mike Echo. We have a timeout. Here at Pierre-Fou for game number 5. We'd like to tell you again about Izod, America's premium leisure wear, known for its technology-inspired, clean designs, and colorful product lines. Visit an Izod store now. Ang ating score, 71-53. Lumawag na po ito kalamangan ng Santa Lucia. At alam natin ang serye ay tabla. And 2-all. Kirby Raimundo. Hirap na hirap para i-score. But he's gonna take that. Makakakuha pa siya ng free throw of Marlo Aquino's foul. Samantala, ang ating no fear, fearless move of the game. Nakikita natin si Delok Miranda. May tangka ng bola. Nakita niyo mga nagtudepensa. Lumusot. Tatlo lumusotan. Our fearless move of the game brought to you by No Fear Underwear. Got the balls for it. 12 points now scored so far by Kirby Raimundo. His first 3 points since the first quarter.
Tama, tsaka the first player to be in double figures for Pierre-Fou.
Paolo Mendoza. They're going to pick to Marlo Aquino. There's the roll. Pick and roll play between Marlo Aquino and Paolo Mendoza for the first 2 points of Marlo. Ngayon lang score yan.
That's what happens when you've got a hot guy on the floor, no? He opens up the floor for a nice pass inside because the defense is nakatutok dun sa labas. Paolo Mendoza has been hot and he gives up the ball for an easy 2 points.
Chico Lanete, Ian Press. Got it goes out right quarter court, and Lanete has 7 points in the game. Paolo Mendoza. Shaking and baking against Chico Lanete. Balik-balik kay Paolo. There's the bounce pass to Marlo Aquino. Off the glass. Kanina pa nagpapasahan yung dalawang yan. Binibigyan siya ng pick ni Marlo Aquino. Pagkatapos roll si Paolo, si Marlo. And he gets the pass back from Paolo Mendoza. Chico Lanete kicks it out to Roger Yap. Roger Yap out to Noy Castillo. Kirby Raimundo. Teka muna, may foul. Samantala, tignan natin itong ginawa kanina. Itong dalawang si Paolo Mendoza at si Marlo Aquino. Yung pick and roll nila. Ang ating Buhay Coke shot brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo.
Yan ang perfect example ng pick and roll. The man who sets the pick will roll towards the basket and will get the pass back for an easy 2 points.
Ay naman, si Chico Lanete trying to stoke the unders there. Para sa Purefoos, TM Tresian. Galing kay Chico Lanete, he has 10 points in the game.
Kanina pa hinahanap yan ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. He needs some good outside shooting from 3-point distance to get back in this game.
And Kenny Williams, hindi nakatira. Marlo Aquino decides to go for it. Oh, yes! Ano ba yan?
Yes, we are.
Masante sa lamin si Gale. Na magandang Pangasinan na kabalayan ni Marlo Aquino. Kirby Raimundo elects to pass back. He gets it back. Alam mo, medyo frustrated na ito si Kirby, ano ha? Medyo, it hasn't been an easy night para sa pinuno ng Purefoos players, ano, si Kirby Raimundo.
But partner, he has found a way to break into that interior defense, ha? Nakakahawak siya ng bola sa loob ng painted area.
Well, he's got to do more of that.
Yeah. Well, it also helps that Chico Lanete is now able to score from the outside. So that opens up some space.
Kaya pala, no, kung saan-saan po nagagaling ang ating mga manonood, no? Meron pa tayong mga balikbayan from Virginia in the States. Jojo Belina and Mike Portillo are here for a reunion and enjoying the PBA game dito po sa ABC 5. Danap Miranda, nakatingin kay Marlo Aquino. Instead goes to Ryan Reyes. Ryan Reyes given the pick by Marlo. Ryan Reyes against Noy Castillo. Awkward shot. Kirby Raimundo, pinilit yun eh. Pinilit ni Ryan Reyes. Here comes Roger Yap. Speeding it up. Pinigay kay Noy Castillo. Open for the three. P3 yan. Galing kay Noy Castillo. At nagtasangkabot ang Purefoos sa makabalik. Malayo pa ito. 5:37 to go. And a 10-point lead. O 10-point deficit. We have a timeout. We'll be right back. The Purefoos 77 to 67. Sabi nga natin, malayo pa po ito. 5:37 to go. And here's our Grand Matador Brandy Blazing player. Makikita po natin si Dennis Espino. Ito talagang naglalagablab, no? Blazing player. Hatid sa inyo ng Grand Matador Brandy. Tuloy ang init.
At kanina pa natin pinag-usapan yung 3-point shooting ng Purefoos at ganun din ng Santa Lucia. As we take a look at the beauties who are the candidates for the Binibining Pilipinas contest. And talking about 3-point shooting by them, no? It looks like Purefoos is taking a claim to that 3-point shot as their make-or-break shot. They've taken 11 3-point attempts sa ating fourth period so far. They've only taken 1 2-point attempt. So they are going to live and die with a 3-point shot.
Tumatala si Laires, pinutata ni Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo, mismo na, alagdala ng bola, tuloy-tuloy. Kirby Raimundo misses the shot, pero nakakuha ng foul. Ganyan, kagigil na gigil. Itong si Kirby Raimundo. Dominic Oy, ano pinag-usapan ng Santa Lucia kanina?
Pinaalala ni Coach Boy at dito sa kanyang mga bata na kailangan nilang dumipensa. At ang pagdidepensa na gusto niya, walang susundot. Sabi nga niya, pag sumundot tayo, may malilibre. And we need to recognize the shooters, Noy Castillo and Chico Lanete. Ed?
Well, that's a good point, no? Because right now, Santa Lucia is already in the penalty at ang Purefoos merong iisang team foul lamang. And there's a lot of time left. That's 5:17 to go.
At ito, inuunti-unti na Purefoos ang tamama ng Santa Lucia. It is now down to only 8 points. Kanina, 18 yan.
Now Purefoos is going to a full-court press, but they're not stopping. They're just pressuring the ball carrier all the way from the backcourt.
Brian Reyes looking at Marlo Aquino against the local. Marlo Aquino pa rin. Tumaatras, biglang pumihit. Close up. Alam mo, si Marlo Aquino did not score for all of 3 quarters, but now here in the 4th quarter where it is most crucial, nakaka 8 points na si Marlo Aquino.
And he's keeping Dennis Espino on the bench.
And
ito yung stepping up for James. Partner, no? Si Lanete meron ng 10, Noy Castillo 9, Roger Yap with 8. So 3 key players stepping up for King James. But nasan yung pangalan ni PJ Simon?
yun, no problema, no ha? PJ Simon hindi nakakapag-contribute in this game. Ano, 1 point pa rin yata.
Only 1 point. And for a player who has scored big time sa setting ito, no?
Medyo nararamdaman niya siguro yung bigat ng pressure eh.
That's right. Simon had 21 points in Game 2, 26 points in Game 3, 17 in Game 4, and in this game, just 1 point.
At ito, sunod na Dugol.
Suspense pa, no?
Ang tagal, bago
bumaba yung bola. Hindi naman pumasok. Ito na naman si Romel na hindi talaga nakaka-score, no? Ito, 1 point.
Yes, first point for Romel Adufar in this game.
Nakaka 5 points na si Romel. Check that, no? Meron na siya 5 points.
79-70. 9-point lead by Santa Lucia. 4:36 to go. Hinahanap po natin kung sino makakalamang dito sa sharing ito. This time, currently at 2-all. Inside pass by Marlo Aquino. Dumang dive sa Ryan Lewis. At tapos natin, Roger Yap. 2-2. Roger Yap against Kelly Williams. Block the shot. Kelly Williams with a big block.
Grabe yung ginawa ni Kelly Williams doon. I mean, he knew that was going to be a big momentum maker para sa Pure Foods. If that shot had gone in, nako, nagkagulo rito.
Ashkan Opawa. Lanete going to outside. Good. And Williams has the rebound. Going to get Dennis Miranda. 13 rebounds now for Kelly Williams. Miranda nakakita ng opening. Oh, here's blocked by Mark Tigris. But it's picked up by Ryan Reyes.
Now the shot clock continues to roll.
Oh, hindi pa tumatama sa ring yung bola. And there's a foul spotted by referee Kilingen. It's going to be Mark Tigris. That's going to be number 4 on him.
Alam mo, partner, napapag-usapan natin, no, yung kakulangan sa offense ni PJ Simon. What about Tigris, no? He only has 8 points in this game. Kulang na kulang din yung offensang dapat ipakita ni Tigris ngayon at wala si James.
Ito na naman sila kay Marlo Aquino. Dahil in foul trouble si Mark Tigris, inatake ka agad ni Marlo Aquino, and Mark Tigris picks up his 5th personal foul.
Bad news here for Pure Foods. Isa sa mga key players nila, si Mark Tigris, are in danger of disqualification. All the Pure Foods players standing up at the sidelines. Ito, magsusubukan si Marlo, the skyscraper. Got it done!
Sabi nga natin, hindi score ng 3 quarters. Pero ngayon, ilan na, 9 points na ba si Marlo?
Yes. All in the 4th period. Ito sinasabi natin about resurrecting the Twin Towers. Well, what about this?
Resurrected si Marlo.
Talaga, 15 points na si Dennis. At now may 10 points. All in the 4th period. What a quarter.
And Marlo Aquino calm and composed as he brings the lead up to 11 points once again para sa Santa Lucia. Ang ganda-ganda rin din ng larong ito. Mula pa sa Iloilo, si John Lucia nagsabi sa atin, si Boy Mate di lahat Tacloban. Tanang mga mati ka nagkikita nila. TV4 Tacloban, open gabi hayong Katalanda. Mauna-una ka ba doon, mga kabagayan sa Tawi-Tawi, Sulu, Shamira, Magsugol. 3:53 to go in the game. At lumamang na naman ang 11 itong Santa Lucia. Kanina po inaibaba na yan ng Pure Foods. Pero malayo pa rin ito. 3 minutes and 53 seconds to go. Alam naman natin ito Pure Foods. Kaya rin pumutok nito. Pareho ng Santa Lucia. Kaya nga napakaganda ng serye na ito eh. Roger Yap. Mike Castillo. And the bounce pass to Kirby Raimundo. And he is fouled upstairs.
Ang mindset ngayon ni Kirby is to attack the basket. Nasa penalty in Santa Lucia. He's been making his free throws, and it's important for him to get the easy points from the line.
4 personal fouls kay Bitoy Umalon. Coach Boy Fernandez has fielded 9 players in the game at lahat sila umiiskora. Two by Kirby. And the lead is 9 para sa Santa Lucia. 18 puntos na po ang ginagawa ni Kirby Raimundo. Darap Miranda. Paolo Mendoza. Mendoza skirts the lane. And kumalog lang. Kirby Raimundo naman para sa rebound, and he wants to speed it up. Roger Yap. Sumuso na pa rin ang Santa Lucia. Doy Castillo. Down low to Kirby. Kirby matras lamang kay Bitoy Umalon. Tumutulong sa Marlo Aquino. There's the pass out to Chico Lanete against Marlo Aquino. Loose ball picked up by Derek Miranda. Miranda into the front court. And he settles it down para sa Santa Lucia. They will go for the half-court set, and he did it to Marlo Aquino. 15 seconds on the shot clock. And it's a 9-point lead by Santa Lucia. Kenny Williams goes up. A blocked by Kirby. Humihingi ng foul si Marlo, pero hindi po tinawag. And here comes Chico Lanete. Couple of pump fakes. And the ball goes out of bounds in favor of Santa Lucia.
That's a big turnover against Pure Foods. And you see the face of dejection ni Coach Ryan Gregorio. Kanina, Chico Luneta missed from up close, and now throwing the ball away. 2:35 to go. Santa Lucia looking for a 3-2 series lead.
Okay, mga kaibigan, we have 2 minutes and 35 seconds left. Nagtatampo yung mga taga-Maynila. Binati ko na raw lahat ng lugar sa Pilipinas.
Napansin ko nga eh.
Mga kaibigan natin sa Manila, batang singgalong tayo, kaya mahal natin yan. Kadistrito natin si Bernie Atienza. Yan ang chairman ng Coaches Commission ng BAP-SBP.
Pati kaibigan natin si Lloyd Kaliwan text lang, sabi niya.
Sa airport po ba? Sa airport po ba? Well, Santa Lucia is going to lose 3 in a row this conference, and they have just lost 2 in a row. Games 3 and 4, of course, were won by Pure Foods. Kaya po tayo tabla ngayon at 2-all in the best of 7 series. Paulo Mendoza, Chico Luneta. Here's Marlu. Inabot kay Kelly Williams. Palomong tira, hindi pumasok. And Luneta has the rebound. Chico Luneta, binigay kay Kirby Raimundo. Yes! Kirby Raimundo is taking over.
Now with 20 points, he's giving it all he's got. Dito sa ating fourth period.
And the lead is down to 7. 2 minutes and 7 seconds to go. Marami pa pwede mangyari dito, mga kaibigan. 2:07 left. And just a 7-point lead here from by Santa Lucia. Coach Boyd Fernandez is dispatching Ryan Reyes to come in the next dead ball situation. Denok Miranda, nakatingin kay Marlo Aquino. Marlo, pumupwesto lalo kay Mark Singers as we go into the outlast. 2 minutes. Atin sige ng outlast maintenance-free batteries. Walang dagdag bawas sa tubig ang outlast. Marlo Aquino versus Kelly Williams to the offensive board. Here's Denok Miranda. And the instructions from the bench for them to settle down and play their game. Nag-aabang si Marlo Aquino ng pasa. He's up against Mark Fingers. He has 5 personals. Tight pass, broken up. And it's taken away by Peter June Simon. PJ Simon into the front court. PJ Simon, binigay kay Kirby Raimundo against Marlo Aquino. Pumihit. Rebound by Kirby himself. And Marlo Aquino taps it to Bidoy Obalon. Here comes Denok Miranda para sa Santa Lucia. Tumaling tuloy sa Denok Miranda. A minute and 16 seconds to go. At si Marlo Aquino sa Besenyas kay Denok. Relax lang. Dahil lang sa kanila po, sa kanilang panig ang oras. We have a timeout. We'll be back.
This timeout is brought to you by San Mig Coffee 100% Premium Instant.
Just like to formally announce that I have advised Chairman Tony Chua that I'm resigning as the Chairman of the Ethics Committee of the PBA Board of Governors to stress the point of the company of Pure Foods that we're very unhappy with the decision regarding the upgrading of the penalty on our James Shop.
There are processes. No, we will not always agree in a very fluid and dynamic activity like basketball. But as a sportsman, gentleman, we can agree to disagree. So I have no problem they're voicing their disagreement with our decision. May process naman yan. There is an appeal process. The board will act on the appeal process. And at the end of the day, we submit.
Okay, yan po ang latest na mga statements na karoon po ng press conference kanina. Si Mr. Rene Pardo, yung Pure Foods team governor, at yan naman ang kasagutan ni Commissioner Sunny Barrios. Okay, but the issue at bar here, with a minute and 14 to go, lamang ang Santa Lucia ng 7, 81-74. And the possession is with Santa Lucia. Tingnan po natin kung ano mangyayari dito. Ang ganyan po mga kaibigan dito sa court side. Ed Pixon po naman kasama si Kinita Henson para sa ABC 5. Arin do si Paolo Trulio, Dominic Uy, Joy Delaroy, and the entire complement of ABC Sports. Ryan Reyes, kay Peter June Simon, Dennis Espino is back. Twin Towers na naman ito. Nandiyan si Dennis at saka si Marlo makasabay. 6 seconds on the shot clock of Santa Lucia. Follow-away jumper is no good. Loose ball, Kenny Williams goes up. No foul. Less than a minute to go. 58.4 seconds. The team that wins this game will take a 3-2 lead in the best of 7 series.
Again, nakita natin, no, how important the Twin Towers are for Santa Lucia. Nagmintis doon si Dennis Espino, but because nandun si Marlo Aquino, that ball was loose. Na-pick up tuloy ni Kelly Williams. And Williams delivering could be the final nails in the coffin.
Well, yes, Mr. Rexy
Game number
Robles.
5. Yes, Mr. Rexy Robles, the
Team
team
owner.
owner in Santa Lucia, must be very happy because with this impending victory in Santa Lucia, they now take a 2-ice-to-beat advantage. All they need is one more win. Sila na ang kampiyon, while Pure Foods needs to win 2 in a row.
Samantala, we have a timeout. We'll be right back. Po tayo sa Araneta Coliseum. On the phone with us right now is Joseph Yo. Joseph, good evening sa'yo. Saan ka nanonood?
Tingin ko na talaga yung na-limit namin scoring ng Pure Foods kasi low scoring ngayon eh. Pag low scoring yan yung talagang game plan namin. Limit sila less than 90 points eh. Yun nga, the last 4 games, kahit nanalo kami first 2 games, medyo yun nga, parang hindi talaga namin game yun eh. Yung shootout contest. Game talaga namin, defense talaga, hindi yung offense eh. So, tingin ko maganda naman yung nangyayari ngayon. Gusto ko lang mag-sorry sa nangyari nung game 4, sa fans ng Pure Foods, sa fans ng Santa Lucia na rin. Alam ko medyo naging selfish yung decision ko nung game na yun and sana support pa rin nila yung continue nila support yung Santa Lucia and hopefully this sa game kung sa this quarter makuha na namin yung All Filipino Championship.
Okay, maraming salamat. Yan po si Joseph Yo. Nanonood po sa labas dahil nga silang dalawa ni James Yap. Actually, pareho ng sitwasyon. Pareho pong suspended. Samantala, with less than a minute to go here in the ball game, it is a 9-point lead by Santa Lucia at 83-74. It's going to be tough para sa Pure Foods. Pero hindi pa tapos ito. Let's see what Pure Foods can come up with to try and turn this game around. Pero ito ang kahit anong mangyari dito, mukhang ito na pinaka-lowest scoring ball game sa serye.
Exactly, because we've usually had both teams scoring over 100. Kailangan ng Pure Foods dito is a good 3-point shot.
Chico Ladet is very far away. Ito, sila layo rin ito.
Alam mo, napagod na rin ng Pure Foods. So when you see Chico Ladet and Noy Castillo missing 3-pointers, throwing up air balls, pagod na rin. But now they give up the foul and Marlo Aquino getting at basketball rather than the team's best free throw shooter. So good move on the part of Kirby Raimundo to foul him.
On the other hand, yung last trip to the free throw line,
2 out of 2.
Pumasok pareho yun. It's a 7-point lead by Santa Lucia with 43 seconds to go. And Marlo Aquino at the line. Sabi nga natin, he didn't score in the first 3 quarters, but he came up big after the payoff period dito sa 4th quarter.
And he continues to score.
100% na yan sa free throw.
11 points for the skyscraper.
Pagka ganito, sinasabi mo nga, yung Great Towers gumagana, mahirap-hirap talaga. Nandiyo pa si Kelly Williams na umuusok din. Si Vitoy Umulon had his moments in the game. So that all conspired to negate the absence of Joseph Yo and to highlight the suspension of James Yap. At hindi natin pwede ikaila dito, talagang na-miss ng Pure Foods si James Yap.
Well, some interesting information dito, as far as 3-2 leads history sa PBA. Ito, nababasa ninyo.
18 of 20. 18 of 20 nanalo. Yan mo madaling salita.
Well, si team manager Buddy Encarnato holding both thumbs up, saying, in the bag na to. Game number 5. And of course, game number 6. That's coming up on Wednesday.
Bukas, walang pasok, ha? Alam nyo na naman lahat yan. Blocked by Bitoy Umulon. That is really a big blow to Pure Foods sa moral, Samantala sa Dan of Miranda, tinamaan naman sa ulo ni PJ Simon. At okay lang, nakatawa pa rin dahil panalo naman eh. Tsaka na natin isipin yung sakit ng ulo.
Wala na yan. Sabi nga kanina, basta nakatira ng 3-point shot o kaya nice shot, you won't feel the pain. You won't feel the physicality of the game. Ito, on the cake na lang ito. What a big win here for Santa Lucia. At pinakita nila yung kanilang result, particularly in the second half. Remember, they were down by 2 at the half.
Iba yung determinasyon nila eh. One of two by Delok Miranda. And Ryan Reyes with a rebound sa kanila pa bola.
Ito, when holding opponents below 80 points, Santa Lucia is 5-0 sa ating conference. And right now, Purefoods with only 76 points.
Dr. Leo Cuaycong, dira sa Bacolod, happy birthday. At si Dag Mariano, Aramadera sa Bacolod, ha? Ay, naghampang sa golf.
Well, there's a foul given up by Noy Castillo.
Oh, three-point
shot.
Napo, 11.5 seconds to go.
And Kelly Williams looking to add his point total.
All right. As was the case in previous games, Kinito, the 4 games that we had in the series before this, pareho pong nakakatikim ng lamang itong dalawang kabanan. Kanina, Purefoods had a big 11-point lead in the second quarter at hindi makamaya yung mga fans ng Purefoods mo, no? Pero ito sa second half, biglang ubusok itong Santa Lucia Realty en route to this big win here in game number 5. At ito si Kelly Williams. Akala ko idadakdak pa. Hindi na. And it is Santa Lucia in game number 5 to take a 3-2 lead in the best-of-7 championship series against Purefoods. So, ito, nakikita po ninyo, nag-celebrate na. Isa na lang daw. Sabi ng mga dalaginting ng Santa Lucia. Ang ating final score, 88-76. Hatid sa inyo ng San Miguel Beer Pale Pilsen. Ang beer na walang katulad. Okay. Another dramatic game that we witnessed here sa game number 5 before a sold-out crowd. And Kelly Williams showing some emotion now as he crosses out their 3rd win in 5 games to take the lead. The best player, Kinito.
Well, napili natin si Kelly Williams because of his game-long contributions and his game-long presence. 20.6 in rebounds. At ni isang turnover, wala. Para kay Machine Gun Kelly now. Honorable mention has to go to Marlo Aquino, who scored 12 points, but all in the 4th period, no? And he was a strong contender for player of the game honors, but you know, we have to take a look at the performance of a player all game long. Si Kelly Williams ang napili po natin.
All right, congratulations to Kelly Williams and Santa Lucia. Our Gatorade game turning point. Panoorin natin ito. Towards the closing minute, sabi nga natin, this really broke the backs of Purefoods, yung palpal ni Bitoy Umulon. Our game turning point brought to you by Gatorade. Is it in you? Okay, mga kaibigan, tapos na po ang Game 5 at papasok tayo sa Game 6. Ang koronang inaasam ay abot tanaw na ng Santa Lucia. Ito na kaya ang umpisa ng katapusan ng Purefoods. Well, I wouldn't bet on it. That's one thing for sure. Ang ating pong Game 6, Miyerkules, dito rin sa Araneta Coliseum, alas 7 ng gabi. Magkita-kita po tayo dito sa ABC 5 o dito sa Araneta Coliseum.
Of course, the game number 6, maglalaro na sina James Yap.
Abangan nyo yan at abangan nyo rin. Susunod na po, Shall We Dance? Hosted by Miss Lucy Torres Gomez. Okay, mga kaibigan, sa nga po ni Kinito Henson at sa lahat po sa amin sa ABC 5 and Pixon po lamang. Damo kasalamat sa inyo ng kasangkayan. Good night. See you around.
on ABC.